couple days ago, I made a video about not buying Mac or MacBook from untrusted company, and look what I got today. A MacBook Air that have EFI or BIOS locked. The customer texted me and said, "Hi, I recently bought a computer from a person and I was installing Mac OS and turned off the internet to put another one faster. I also turned off the computer, and when I turned it on, a padlock appeared and I was investigating and it says it's a firmware password." Yep. This is a firmware or EFI password. I've been trying to communicate with him, in this case the seller, but he does not answer my messages. Where do you get it from? Online? In person? On the street? How much you pay for it? 400? Okay. Alright, so now we know that this MacBook is reported as a stolen MacBook.